Hello, everyone. So, if you are worried about redness in your skin, whether it's from rosacea or just having prominent vessels, then there are treatments available for that. We can either use a vascular specific wavelength laser, or we can use a procedure like a broadband light, which is a more sophisticated, intense pulse light system that can also target vascularity in the skin. There are some other lasers I like to use as well that are not known to be vascular lasers, but I feel do a really great job when it comes to flushing and overall redness, such as Fraxel laser, for example, being one of them. So, what you need depends on what the size of the vessels are and what you're trying to accomplish overall. And so that's a decision that we make when we actually see you in terms of what's going to benefit you the most and get you the best results. There is going to be some recovery time anytime we use a laser or an intense light source that causes heat to generate in the skin. You are most likely going to get some swelling. And that swelling is variable from person to person. Some people are not bothered by it. It's not offensive and they go back to work right away. For others, especially if you're in a very public facing kind of situation, you may want to take a few days to a week. I have even seen swelling sometimes last up to a couple of weeks in some patients. So that's going to really vary on how sensitive your skin is. And there will also be some redness. So we're trying to get rid of redness, but initially you're going to get some more inflammation in the skin that can be easily covered by makeup. You are allowed to wear makeup immediately after these procedures, but sometimes that redness can persist for several days and even up to a week. Sometimes if we're dealing with larger vessels, they might actually turn a bit purple or just change color, like look a little bruised afterwards, because all that blood that's inside the veins sometimes just coagulates, and then you get a bruise-like appearance, and that can take, again, a few days to a few weeks to actually completely go away. And during this entire time, you are allowed to wear makeup. One other thing you will notice as a side benefit of treating your vascular issues is that your skin is going to overall have a better glow and be healthier, because you are going to generate some new collagen just from even treating the vascular lesions. Thank you so much for watching.